studying math. Kahapon hindi naman pag-study namin ni addition. Galing. Galing ni Kuya mag-addition. No po! Kuya, no, you still have cups. Sorry, pag next time na lang, pag yan na.
Okay. Wag mo sila tayo pera.
Mami, at saka if you're not sick anymore, di po! Next. Very good. After 35 is? What? Oh. After 35 is?
36.
Very good. Next. You cannot go outside. It's raining.
Mami, mama ba?
I like your numbers. Better ka na mag-write pati mag-color. Daddy and Tita will be happy. Next, I want you to put the number, remember, before. Example ni Mami, ha? Listen. Before 12, what number first? 11, and then 12. Oh. I give you already a clue, ha? Next, you do the other number. Before 16, what number before 16? Ano number before 16? You count from 11.
17?
Hindi after uni.
17.
No. Before 16, dito 17. Count ka from 11. 11, 12.
14, 15, 16.
Oh, ano yung number before 16? Hindi, 15 first. Sige, help mo na kita dyan. Next. What is the number before? Read mo na itong number na to. Nak, read mo ito na.
20.
Oh, before 20, ano number?
20.
Hindi 21 is after eh. Before 20, 19 first. Diba? 17, 18, 19, and then 20. Oh, anong number yung before 20? Yung 19. Next. What number comes?
20.
Anong number here before 24? Anong number? Do you know? Oh, you count from 20. Sige, hanggang 24. Hindi, 20. 21.
23.
Right, 23 first before 24. Para you know the answer, you count backwards. Dali ka muna rin sa ibang number. You forgot. Next, yung number to. Dali, naka-video yan. No? Dapat very good answer mo dyan. Kasi mawawatch
Daddy,
Tito and
Tito!
Daddy and Tito.
Daddy, Tito! Gawin ko na ang cola kasi wala akong wala.
Right. Now, what is the number? Oh,
I just gave it.
wag na. Bago ka makikita eh.
Tito.
What is the number that comes before 30?
30.
Oh, ano number muna before 30? You count from 25. Sige. 28, 29, 30. So, ano number muna bago 30? 20? 90? Ay, naku, wrong. Narorong kayo doon sila Tito and Daddy. 29. 29 muna bago 30. Ay, Kuya, oh. Oh, yan, oh. Watch ka niya ni Tito and Daddy. Nalilito ka pa eh. Right. Now, what number is this, please? What number?
5.
35. O, anong number muna before 35? You count from 30. 30. 31.
32, 33, 34, 32.
Ano number yung before 35? 30?
6.
Hindi, 34 muna bago 35. Ay, ayan o, nangungulit na naman.
Okay. 7.
Anong number? Try again. 34. Ay, si Kuya, may video ko pa naman ngayon yan. O, next. Anong next number? 48. O, anong number yung before 48? You're not sure, you count from 45.
1,
45, 46,
45, 46, 47,
48. O, anong number mo na bago 48? Yung count mo kanina, 47.
47.
Ay, sapo po. Do that again, ha? Tomorrow, ha?
Come here, bro. Alright.
No, 47. Tindahan mo 7.
And then,
Last.
50.
50. Wala N. 0 yan, eh.
50.
50. Oh, anong number before 50? You count from, 45. Louder.
45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 49.
Very good. Okay, bye.